Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maan Fashion. How are you? I hope my all friends and my viewers will be fine, okay, and doing well and enjoying their life with their sweet family and friends like me. I'm also good, perfect, alhamdulillah, thanks of my Allah. So guys, let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you most beautiful and most stylish collection, beautiful babies crochet frocks designs, crochet beautiful stylish dresses for your babies. So my dearest friend, thanks for watching my video. Wow, it's attractive and adorable collection for your beautiful girl baby. Crochet frocks designs. So my dear friends, I hope you will like this video. If you like, then please like me, comment, and please don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. So guys, thanks for watching my video, because this video is just for you, useful collection. I hope you will like this video. If you like, then please like me, comment, and please don't forget sharing my video with your family and friends. You can see many more collection. You can get latest ideas through my channel Maan Fashion. Wow, it's beautiful, colorful, contrast color, pink, blue, pink, white, pink, red, white, red, and black contrast are so very attractive, beautiful, and amazing stylish designs. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Till then, goodbye and Allah Hafiz.